1000 inventions that changed the world. Brazing and soldering. Brazing and soldering, two closely related metal joining processes, have been utilized by civilizations throughout history for various applications, ranging from metalworking and jewelry making to plumbing, electronics, and aerospace engineering. These techniques involve joining metal pieces together using a lower melting point filler material, known as solder or brazing alloy, which bonds the components without melting the base metals. The origins of brazing and soldering can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China, where early metalworkers discovered the benefits of using lower melting point metals to join pieces of metal together. Archaeological evidence suggests that brazing and soldering were practiced as early as 3000 BCE, with artifacts such as jewelry, tools, and decorative objects demonstrating the skill and craftsmanship of ancient artisans. In ancient Egypt, for example, goldsmiths used brazing techniques to join gold and precious metals together, creating intricate jewelry and ceremonial objects. Similarly, in ancient China, bronze artisans employed soldering techniques to assemble bronze artifacts, such as bells, vessels, and weapons, with precision and strength. During the Middle Ages, brazing and soldering continued to be practiced and refined by craftsmen and artisans across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. The development of specialized tools, such as blowpipes and soldering irons, facilitated the manipulation of molten solder and brazing alloys, allowing for greater control and precision in metal joining processes. The Renaissance period marked a resurgence of interest in metalworking and metallurgy, with advancements in materials science and engineering leading to innovations in brazing and soldering techniques. The widespread adoption of brazing and soldering in industries such as clockmaking, armor manufacturing, and scientific instrument production fueled economic growth and technological progress during this era. In the modern era, brazing and soldering have become essential processes in manufacturing, construction, and repair industries, with applications ranging from automotive and aerospace engineering to electronics assembly and plumbing. The development of specialized brazing and soldering equipment, such as torches, induction heaters, and soldering stations, has enabled greater efficiency, precision, and consistency in metal joining processes. Today, brazing and soldering remain indispensable techniques in metalworking and fabrication, offering advantages such as strong, durable joints, low heat input, and compatibility with a wide range of metals and alloys. Whether used in industrial production or artisanal craftsmanship, brazing and soldering continue to play a vital role in the creation of functional and decorative metalwork, reflecting the enduring legacy of these ancient metal joining techniques.